Frank Henstein, Frankenstein. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play on Halloween Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, Crime Stoppers. Yes, this is Alex Dick Tracy with today's crime-stopping tip. Never go into the woods after a bear. I have no other advice for you. Happy Halloween. What do we have here? And what do we have here? Let's start with the lady on my right. Her name is Claire Buckley. Hiya, Claire.
Hi, Alex.
Tell me about who you are and what you do and all those wonderful things.
Well, Alex, today I'm a gypsy, but normally I'm an aspiring reporter. I graduated from Point Loma College in San Diego with a communications degree, and I'm interning right now with the Traffic Reporting Service, hoping to start as a reporter there.
Okay.
And launch my career.
Good for you. Nice having you here. I hope you have a lot of fun with us today. Let's meet your opponent. His name is Ray Martz.
Hello, Alex.
All right, Saddam, let's hear about it.
No, not Saddam.
Okay.
Not Saddam.
Tell me about you.
Happily married for 10 years, have two
Just one
children.
wife?
Yes, one wife. Have 2 children, with one due in December.
Good for you.
And understand that you have one pretty soon.
Yep, in February.
All right.
You ready to play?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go over here and see what Breathless Mahoney has in store for us. Yahoo!
A shopping spree at Rodeo Drive's fashion store for men and women, Fred Heyman Beverly Hills. Select from designer fashions and their exclusive 273 fragrance for women and men. Furnished by Fred Heyman Beverly Hills. Alex.
And we'll show our Crime Stoppers and our game players where they can find that. The Little Shop of Horror shopping spree is on number 4. We also have a holiday in Bermuda in this game.
Right.
Ray has taken off his sunglasses so he can see the board better and make matches a lot easier. And I believe Ray gets to pick first, so good luck.
Okay. I'd like to start with number 5.
Bermuda Triangle, that's the Bermuda Vacation.
And all the way in the other corner, number 21.
No match, a chiller refrigerator freezer. The reason we call it the Bermuda Triangle, by the way, is because anyone who goes there
Never comes back.
doesn't want to come back. They have such a good time. Didn't I get out of that nicely?
You did.
Okay.
You did.
All right, Claire, you select.
Okay, let's try up in the left-hand corner, number 1.
Man's gold bracelet.
Okay, and a wild card or a match under number 25.
Red take, no match, Ray.
I can use that take later on. Number 11, please.
Red
And
take.
I'll take it now.
You can use it now.
The match for that number 25.
25, that's correct. Here you go, a little bit of insurance. And the first look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 12, please.
Green
All
take.
right. And right above it, began number 7.
35mm camera, no match there. Claire, you get to select again.
All right, let's try under number 21.
Chiller refrigerator freezer.
And a match or wild card under number 15.
Wild card, so that makes it a match. The other chiller refrigerator freezer is at this position. All right, we're not going to show you. Where is the other chiller refrigerator freezer? Thank you very much. Somebody is celebrating Halloween earlier over there. Number 9. All right, we'll put it up here, and we will open 3 panels for you. Can you do anything with this?
Not yet.
Do you feel comfortable in that costume?
Actually, I feel very comfortable.
Yeah?
Thank you. Do you feel comfortable in yours?
Well, it's not too bad. You know, Warren Beatty's coat in Dick Tracy probably cost him about $2,000. This was $650 at Pick and Save, and I overpaid. Yes, thank you, Gene. So I could feel better if I had cashmere or vicuna, something like that. Let's not talk about clothing. Let's select again, Claire.
Let's look under number 24.
Man's gold bracelet. You saw it before.
I did. Did I see that under number 2?
No, but you're going to luck out. There's a wild wild card. You saw it very close to number 2. It was at number 1, right next door. So 3 more panels are opening up for you, Claire.
I knew that.
I know you did. You just wanted to waste the
Taking a
wild
risk.
card.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, let's look under number 16, please.
Grandfather clock. That's a good prize.
And a match or another wild card under number 13.
Nope. Fine China service. Ray, over to you.
Finally, my turn again. Number 10, please.
Wild card. Well, we have now used up all of the wild cards, and you have an opportunity to make a great selection here.
Let's try number 5.
5 for the Bermuda Triangle, the Bermuda Vacation. The other Bermuda Triangle is at number 8, so that prize goes up there. She has a man's bracelet, and she also has the refrigerator freezer. And you've got the tape. What you gonna do, Ray?
I think I'll take the refrigerator freezer for right now.
All right, refrigerator freezer for right now, he says. Did you catch that, folks? For right now, meaning he expects to find the green take and grab some more stuff if Claire puts any more prizes up there. For the moment, we open 3 doors for Ray Martz. Select again, Ray.
Right in the middle, number 13.
Fine China service.
And number 17.
No, 35 millimeter camera. Claire.
Let's look under number 14, please.
Freddy Krueger manicure.
Oh, nice.
Let me see your
I
nails.
really want that.
Hey, you let your nails grow another 5-6 inches and you'll be right there.
Okay, let's try under number 6, please.
Monster mashed potatoes. Don't ask about it. Please don't ask. Great.
Let's try number 23, please.
Little shop of horror spree.
And I believe that was under number 4.
Yes. The shopping spree and Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, and another chance for you, Ray, to solve this puzzle. Go again.
Number 19, please.
Grandfather clock.
And I think that was under number 16 for the match.
Yes. Another match for you, another chance to study the puzzle as we open 2 more doors. Go again.
Number 17, please.
35 millimeter camera. You keep going back to that
Yeah, I know.
one. You must want a camera desperately.
Number 7, please.
35 millimeter camera. Well, you may get it. Open it up. Select again.
Oh, number 14, please.
Freddy Krueger manicure.
And I believe that was under number 6.
No, those were the monster mashed potatoes. Claire Buckley.
Let's look under
Gypsy
number
lady.
3, please.
Number 3, Freddy Krueger manicure.
And number 14 for the match.
There's the match. Man's bracelet, a manicure for my lady, and a chance to win the game. Play for a brand new car. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 12, please.
The green take is still up there, and if you make a match now, you could grab the Bermuda Vacation away from Ray.
Let's look under number 22.
Ta-da!
I'd like the Bermuda holiday, please.
Hey, Crime Stoppers, I hope you were paying attention. If you wait long enough, good things will come to you. A Bermuda Vacation. Possibility for Claire Buckley. Take a look at the puzzle, Claire. Select again. 1 more match and you'll clear the board.
Number 18, please.
Monster mashed potatoes.
And number 6 for the
Number
match.
6 is the monster mashed potatoes. That's kind of a fun gift. It's just a nothing thing. We send all the mashed potatoes you can eat at one sitting to your home. You pick the night. We'll open these 2 doors and we'll show you 13 and 20. That's the fine China service. And now we want you to solve this puzzle, Claire Buckley. Can you do it? Ray, can you solve the puzzle? Can't do it either? All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to help you out. I want you to think of a popular television soap opera. We have... Claire's in first, I believe, on that.
Another world?
Is it another world? Yes, it is. All right, Claire. Gypsy lady, come to the board. Whoa, watch your step. Explain it.
Okay, I saw the N and the udder for another, and that's a world. That's where I was stuck. World. Another world.
That was very well done. Get back in the picture here. Because we have to stand here now, and Gene's going to tell you about your prizes, but first we put a lighted pumpkin in front of Ray. He'll get to play in another game, though. We'll see you in a little bit, Ray.
I'll be back.
Okay, Gene, tell this young lady, this gypsy lady, about her prizes.
Monster mashed potatoes, a Freddy Krueger manicure, and a fine china service. Service for 8, a fine china in the elegant Barrymore pattern, a perennial favorite in soft, delicate colors and graceful design. From the fine china collection of the Michael C. Fina Company, and the man's gold bracelet. Part of K. Jewelers' classic collection, a handsome man's bracelet crafted in 14-karat gold links. It can be the stylish statement for today's man, furnished by K. Jewelers. And the Bermuda Triangle. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mermaid Beach Club on the South Shore, overlooking a glorious private beach with on-premises swimming pool, European-style dining and nightly entertainment furnished by the Mermaid Beach Club. And this haunting prize package totals $5,383.
Big win for you, Claire. I hope you noticed that when Gene was talking about that vacation, he said, we will fly you to the Bermuda Triangle. He mentioned nothing about flying you back home again. You're going to get a chance to win a brand new car when we return following these messages. All right, gypsy lady. Fancy costume. Looks kind of nice. You could go out and party in that, couldn't you?
I could.
Ready to play for a brand new car?
I'm ready.
All right, this is your second time up here.
This is.
And so you've got more than the base time on the clock. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and we have 45 seconds for you, Claire. It would be a nice way to celebrate Halloween by winning a brand new car, an orange one, if we have one. Go ahead. Good luck.
1-3.
Nope.
4-6.
No again.
7-9.
No.
10-12.
No.
9-10.
Yes.
11-12.
No.
4-11.
No.
7-11.
No.
13-14.
No.
15-1.
No.
2-3.
No.
15-3.
Yep.
12-5.
No.
12-4.
No.
7-14.
No.
14-12.
Yep.
11-13.
No.
11-5.
No.
11-7.
Say 11-6. Say 11-6. You see, 11-6 was the combination. For some reason, you tried early to make that match on the 3-2-3. You missed it, and then you got back to it later, and you were everywhere but the 11-6 combination. But that's okay. You've got $6,762 in prizes. You have no strikes against you. You're going to be here for at least 2 more games. And we're going to start the next game after this. I just noticed that with this Dick Tracy hat, kind of shields my eyes. Maybe it would work better like this. How many people remember Slip Mahoney?
Yeah.
See, people in the audience. Or Ed Norton. Yeah. Okay, game number 2 coming up right now for these 2 players, and this is one of the prizes.
You may want to use fine china and candlelight as you and your guests enjoy delicious filet mignon steaks each week for a year. Alice.
All right, that's a great prize. Let's show Ray and Claire where they can find it. Vampire Steaks for a year is how we refer to them at number 21. We've got a holiday on the Isle of St. Martin, and we have $800 in the cash pot, Ray. And do we also have our 5 bonus seconds in this game? We do indeed, yes. All right, that's a good deal for you because you pick first.
Yes. Number 12, please.
Pool table.
And number 1.
No, the cash pot.
Cash
Claire.
I'd love that cash pot. Let's look under number 20, or I'm sorry, number 5.
Red take.
And a wild card or a match under number 25.
25 is no match. You know something I forgot to do? I forgot we were supposed to reveal 2 of the squares to get these players off to a good start. Since nothing has been matched, can I do that now? Yes, we can. We'll open. We want to speed this game along. We'll show you 19 and 23. All right, Ray, now you pick again.
Number 14, please.
Isle of St. Martin.
All right. And number 10.
Nope, chocolate lover's nightmare. That's my dream.
Let's look under number 6, please.
Word processor.
And for match or wild card under number 9.
Nope, pearl necklace. Ray?
Number 8, please.
Red tape.
And number 7.
No, 5 bonus car seconds. Claire?
I think I remember the red take under number 5.
Yes.
And the match under number 8.
Yes. There you go. That's the way Ray started the last game, which he lost. Take a look. Go again.
Okay, I think I remember those 5 bonus car seconds under number 25.
Yes.
And also the match number 7.
Right. There you go. 2 more doors opening up for you, Claire. Pick again.
Let's look under number 15, please.
Cash pot.
I think I remember that under number 1.
Cash pot. Oh, you're on a roll, Claire. Woo. Good things happening for you. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 3, please.
Pool table.
I think I saw that under number 12.
Yes. This lady is relentless, Ray.
I'm not getting a thing out of
She's
here.
not letting you get in at all. Open these 2 doors for Claire. Go again, Claire.
Number 17, please.
Vampire stakes for a year.
I think we saw that under number 21.
Vampire stakes for a year. Yes.
I need that tape.
Gypsy lady is coming through. Open it up. Pick again.
Number 16, please.
Wild card. If something you think is going to help you solve the puzzle, this would be my advice. We've got a holiday on the Isle of St. Martin.
Yeah, let's go under number 4, please.
All right. Another wild card. That's $500 for you. 500, and you get to pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 9, or I'm sorry, number 6 to reveal the puzzle.
Word processor, the other word processor on the board at 20. 4 panels opening up for Claire. Oh, and you may not get a chance to win them. Hands on your signaling buttons. You can ring in when the green light goes on. We'll start revealing with number 2, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 18, 22. Ray's in first.
Is it down in the boondocks?
I think this match is all tied up. Down in the boondocks. Yes, sir. Whoa, all right, Ray, come on. Oh, a great example of how things work out. Go ahead, Ray.
Okay, here's the down arrow for down. Hen, the. We have boo plus the N, boon, dock, Z. Down in the boondocks.
Yeah, you're not down in the boondocks. You're going to get to play for a brand new car. Claire, that's only 1 loss for you, so you'll come back on tomorrow's show. We'll see you then. Ray, no prizes on your side of the board, but a chance for a brand new car when we come back.
All right.
Welcome back. Saddam Haroum al-Rashid, also known as Ray, is about to play for a car. 15 numbered squares, space time on the clock. Good luck, Ray. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
7, 2.
No.
3, 7.
Yes.
8, 9.
No.
10, 6.
No. Yes.
11, 8.
No.
5, 12.
Yes.
13, 4.
No.
14, 4.
Right.
15, 1.
Yes.
9.
You didn't have enough time, but that's okay. You're going to play again, and we're going to take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive the Jelly Belly Bean Machine with a 20-flavor, 8-ounce bag of America's favorite jelly bean, Jelly Belly, the original gourmet jelly bean. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
All right, kids, a final Crime Stopper tip. For a good time, call Breathless Mahoney or be here tomorrow at the same time. See you then.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.